Former Prime Minister Patterson is demanding answers about the missing billions in the Stocks and Securities Limited SSL fraud case, casting doubt that former SSL employee Jean Patterson acted alone in what has become one of the largest financial scandals in Jamaica's history. As Sandy Williams reports, Mr. Patterson raised the issue at the People's National Party's Outreach Commission's Region 3 seminar at Summit House in Kingston yesterday.
At the PNP's Outreach Commission's Region 3 seminar dubbed Let's Get the Record Straight, Least We Forget, former Prime Minister Patterson made it clear that he does not indulge in rumor, speculation or gossip. Instead, he insisted on dealing with facts, raising serious questions about the scale of the fraud at Stocks and Securities Limited SSL and who else might have been involved.
I know there is a legal presumption of innocence to which all accused are entitled. If anyone who thinks that whatever Ms. Patterson is accused of doing, if in fact she did anything could be done by her alone, must still believe that the world is flat.
Mr. Patterson emphasized that this was not a partisan issue, but a matter of national significance that affects the integrity of Jamaica's financial sector. He didn't hold back in his criticism of the government, accusing it of treating the case as a matter of national secrecy.
How could any government in their right senses possibly think that the failure of a licensed institution to repay 200 investors whose money has vanished could become an issue of national secrecy?
Patterson, the former SSL wealth advisor, is currently facing 22 charges, including falsification of accounts, forgery, and larceny. Among the victims of the massive fraud is sprint legend Usain Bolt, whose missing millions have drawn international attention to the case. The former Prime Minister argued that the scale of the fraud was too vast to have gone unnoticed, particularly by international financial watchdogs.
Even if he kept quiet about it, there is an interest because you have some publications that track the income and the worth of athletic stars and of musical stars. So they have been following the story. And when they see a sudden dip in their account, they're going to take notice of it.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.